Okay, I'm now at the second location, apartment that I want to check out. And here's the place. So we got like a kitchenette going here. Looks like this is a brand new unit. Got a washing machine here. Bed, entertainment center. Balcony over here. And this is Lamb, the property manager. And so yeah, oh wow, hey. Okay, now I got a balcony view out here too. And because second half of the day, the sun is over on the west side, I believe. That means that at the end of every day, I can just put a chair out here and just kind of kick back in the shade. One thing I'll kind of point out, if you notice, is just the really nice balconies a lot of these places have. Really nice. There's kind of a whole French influence with the balconies and all that. Okay, so we got plenty of oh, look at this, plenty of glass, which is a big thing for me. I like having plenty of light, natural light. We got a desk here, a nice cubby thing here. We got really nice bathroom here, CR, water closet. By the way, they call them water closets here, it seems. That's what I keep running into. Oh, hey, cool. I love these type of shower heads. Those are nice. I like those. Okay, so this is looking pretty cool. Okay, so now how much is this one per month?
You see, 350.
350?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the deposit?
1 month.
1 month deposit, okay. And can I do it for like a 3 to 6 month lease?
Yes, 6 months at least.
6 months? Okay,
yes.
Okay. Yeah, so this is looking very workable. All right.
For the hot water, we use the solar power also.
Oh, cool. So plenty of hot water.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Also the high-speed internet.
And then we got a aircon right up there. Whoop. There we go. There, yeah. We got an aircon right up there. I think this, as much as I like the other place, I think I like this one better. And then my buddy Jason just happens to live down one floor below here. Nice big closet there. And I guess this is the TV here? Television?
Yeah, it's 4K.
Oh, okay.
4K Smart TV.
Oh, wow, cool. Yeah.
The newest one.
Yeah, nice big TV. All right, so, okay, yeah, I'll take it. Yeah. Okay, we're in the elevator. We're going up to the top floor. And in addition to the little balcony that I have there at the room, there's another balcony up there, which is, I guess, a common area. So we're going to go check that out.
Okay, you see a new house. Just finished at the end of December.
Oh, okay. All right, so this is a common area here. And wow, pretty cool. Got a nice big unobstructed view. Oh, this is cool. Now see, this is going to be the place to be during Tet Festival. See the fireworks and the lights.
Yeah, this is the highest building in Vietnam.
Ah, yeah, yeah, that's
The
next
landmark.
to, yeah. You can see that there. And I came in through this road earlier today. And yeah, really great view. Definitely, I'm going to go with this place. Really liking
on
it.
this rooftop, you can see the firework this way.
Okay, yeah, I'll take it, and we'll work out deposit and all that. Well, you probably saw in my other video the place I originally landed right as soon as I got out of the airport, which is Vin Homes. I only got that temporary until I could find an apartment. Now, I looked at 2 apartments, which you may have seen the other one in the other video. And so what I wanted to do is show you the apartment that I now have for the next 6 months. Now, this is the access street, and right around the corner is a whole bunch of mercados and all that kind of stuff. Now, what's pretty cool is for entry, 2 of my fingers are, my finger and my thumb are entered into the system, and that's what gives me access here. And then I just simply touch it again and it closes it. There we go. Oh, that's right. I push this button. No, I push that button. Okay. And then that closes it up. I'm already thinking to buy a motorcycle In fact, this one, the Honda Lead, is the one that I like. I rode on that today. It's got a nice big seat on it, very comfortable, stable. As much as I love the Honda Beat for going around hills up in, say, to the Philippines, for here, I really did like this, this Honda Lead. Anyways, when I get one, I can park it in here so it's secure and safe. There's an elevator. So we'll just take the elevator up. And the light activates when you come in. This water is for me, those 2 bottles. I literally just moved in. I left the door unlocked only because I knew I was going to shoot video. And this is my place. Now this is a studio, and it is brand new. Literally just finished constructing. Everything is brand new microwave, brand new pots, pans, conductor, oven, whatever, stove top here. Everything is brand new. In fact, I haven't even unboxed. Now they've got a high-tech rice cooker, does all kinds of stuff. I guess it'll make it at morning automatically for you. Knife set, cutting board, brand new fridge. I haven't even taken the little plastic things off. But it's a nice size fridge, so I'm not dealing with the little tiny one like I had at the other place in the Philippines. Got a nice tray here. I got plenty of storage space, way more than I need. I'm not even going to be able to fill all this. Plenty here. And now he's already mentioned that he may buy me a safe. I really don't feel the need for it, but he said he's willing to get me one. Comes with a really nice big television. I don't know the length, but I'm guessing it's about, I don't know, 4 feet, something like that. Anyways, 48-inch maybe. Over here is the bed. There we go. There's the bed. Nice big full-size bed. Nice little work area here. There's plugs here. There's plugs down below. There's a lamp that he provided. He also provided a brand new iron, and I guess I'm not going to need a hairdryer. And he's willing to replace this chair with a really nice office chair, a much nicer chair. The bathroom, the CR, the restroom, or as they call it here, the water closet. Again, everything is brand new. Really nice little setup here. That's for my laundry, wastebasket. He even provided 2 of these packets. I've got enough bags there for the longest time. Got the bidet thing here. Place to put my shampoos, towel rack. And just like the Philippines, the entire bathroom and shower is all one drain. Really nice fixtures. I really like this this large head shower head. And let's see, let's check out over here. So essentially, I'm very happy with it. My criteria when I went out, anytime that I've gone out looking for a place, has been that it has to be secure, comfortable, and close to stuff to do in town, like walking distance. And this place is, I've already walked about 6 blocks around here today. There are so many good places to eat. Oh my gosh, there's so much good food around here. And I'm only about 5 minutes from some malls, and I'm only 15 minutes from District 1, which is like the big time place to be here in town. My room is not going to get hit with direct sunlight. So I've got a nice little patio out here, and just a place to hang out in the late afternoon, like around sundown. It's really nice to be out here because, again, the sun is not going to beat on this balcony. The sun's going to be kind of like going this way, all right? So I'll be in the shade here both morning and evening. This balcony up here, it's pretty decent size. It's got a glass wall here at the end of it. And there's just the greatest view here. I mean, I can see just so much of the city from up here. I mean, definitely a cool place to just pull up a plastic chair and relax. Really cool. I like it. So I'm very happy with the place. The price was $350 a month, US dollars, and deposit was 1 month's rent. That was it. So for a total of $700 US dollars, I got moved in. Of course, I converted it to dong here locally. And as you can see here in the distance, I mean, this Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, it's just a beautiful city. And this is just a very small part of it. The way they light up the buildings, there's a really huge, in fact, there we go. That is like not just the tallest building in Ho Chi Minh, it's like one of the tallest buildings in Asia. So it's just beautiful. So I'm really happy with my apartment. And I did like that other earlier one, but I'm glad that I went with this one. So if you look around, you'll probably find places just like this all over Ho Chi Minh City. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.